Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about something that can significantly impact your financial life, raising your credit score in 2023. Whether you're planning to buy a car, get a mortgage, or apply for a credit card, having a good credit score is crucial. So let's dive right in and discover the steps to boost your credit score this year.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still.
Before we get into the strategies, let's talk about what a credit score is and how it's calculated. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850, and is based on various factors such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and recent credit applications. Understanding these elements will help you work on improving your score effectively. The first step in raising your credit score is to know where you stand. You can request a free copy of a credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Once a year at annualcreditreport.com, review your reports for errors, inaccuracies, or any fraudulent activity. Dispute any discrepancies you find to ensure your credit report is accurate. One of the most crucial factors influencing your credit score is your payment history. Paying your bills on time is a must. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your score. So set up reminders, use automatic payments, or create a budget to ensure you never miss a due date. High credit card balances relative to your credit limit can hurt your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. If you have multiple credit cards with high balances, consider using the snowball or avalanche method to pay down your debts strategically. To accelerate your progress in reducing credit card debt, try to pay more than the minimum amount due. Even an extra $10 or $20 each month can make a difference in the long run and show creditors that you are committed to paying off your balances responsibly. Length of credit history is another critical factor in calculating your credit score. Closing all credit accounts can shorten your credit history, potentially lowering your credit score. Even if you don't use a credit card anymore, consider keeping it open to maintain a longer credit history. Another way to improve your credit utilization ratio is to request credit limit increases on your existing credit cards. Contact your card issuer and ask for a higher limit. Remember, this strategy only works if you don't increase your spending along with the limit. Every time you apply for new credit, it triggers a hard inquiry of your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Be selective with new credit applications and only apply for credit when you genuinely need it. If you have a family member or a close friend with a strong credit history, ask them to add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. Their positive payment history on that account can help boost your credit score. However, ensure that the primary cardholder is responsible and keeps the balance low. If you're having trouble getting approved for a regular credit card, consider applying for a secured credit card. With a secured card, you'll need to make a deposit as collateral, which becomes your credit limit. Using the secured card responsibly can help build or rebuild your credit score over time. Raising your credit score won't happen overnight. It takes time, commitment, and responsible financial habits. Stay patient and keep working towards your goal, and you'll see progress over time. And there you have it, our guide on how to raise your credit score in 2023. Remember, a good credit score opens up numerous financial opportunities and can save you thousands of dollars in interest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.